morning, this is Francis from Olympus Logistics, and today try natin yung Fast Helmet Shield. So Fast Helmet Shield natin is additional armor siya for our Militech Fast Ballistic Helmet. It's an add-on armor and it can defeat 5.56 and 7.62 rounds. So yan ang gagawin natin, and for today we'll be hitting this helmet at 15-meter range. So that's it. Sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Morning, ngayon puputukan na natin yung Fast Helmet Shield natin with 5.56. We're using M183 I mean ordinary 5.56 ball lang. So let's see yung capability ng Fast Helmet Shield natin. Firing. Tingnan natin, how's it? Walang galos. Check natin. So, may konting bump, back face deformation, pero very minimal. Sa helmet natin, walang kabutas-butas. So, ito yung result ng 5.56 ball sa Fast Helmet Shield natin. Inabsorb niya yung impact, pero pagdating sa helmet natin, kung makikita nyo, halos walang back face deformation. So, safe na safe yung ulo natin from 5.56 rounds. So again, this is tested with Militech Fast Helmet Shield and Militech Fast Ballistic Helmet in Tuaron Aramid Corps. At this point, naputukan na natin yung Fast Helmet Shield natin ng isang 5.56 rounds coming from M193 or ordinary ball. Ngayon, puputukan natin siya ng 7.62 coming from our dependable M14. So yung Fast Helmet Shield natin, multi-hit capability rin siya. So, it can accept more than one round. So, ngayon, second round natin na puputukan yung fast helmet shield using the same FXH. So let's see. .62 rounds coming from M14. And sa likod, you can see the difference sa back face deformation natin. Pero hindi pa rin. And from our helmet, ito yung result. Tingnan natin sa likod. Wala pa ring butas. Hindi siya nag-penetrate. So, you could see the difference ng M14 and M16 round. Malaki yung back face deformation. But still, second round sa fast ballistic helmet natin, no penetration. For the last and final shot sa fast helmet shield natin, it will be done using the 5.56 M193 ulit. So sa gitna na natin, front natin siya tatamaan. So this will be the third round na patama sa fast helmet shield natin with the Militech fast ballistic helmet. Last round natin, ito yung tama ng 5.56 M193 natin. Check natin. So, third round ng M193 na absorb ni fast helmet shield. Pagdating kay Militech fast ballistic helmet natin, ito siya. You'll see. Still no penetration after 3 rifle rounds. So, we have successfully tested yung Militech fast ballistic helmet with fast helmet shield with 3 rifle rounds, 2 5.56 and 1 7.62 round, and no penetration. We have successfully tested yung Militech fast helmet shield natin with Militech fast ballistic helmet. So, finar natin siya ng 3 rounds. And ito yung resulta sa fast helmet shield natin. So, 2 rounds of 5.56 and 1 round of 7.62. Na-absorb niya lahat and no penetration. Pagdating sa fast ballistic helmet natin, absorb lahat yung rounds. You could see the back face deformation, but no penetration. So that is Militech, and we are Olympus Logistics PH. Thank you.